Good morning, everyone. If you are starting your engineering journey today, let me tell you something honestly. The next few years can either shape you or just pass by. Hi, I am Rohan Ramprasad, a second year computer science student and a front end developer. Over the past year, I have explored web development, worked on projects, collaborated with seniors, and whatnot. But one thing I have truly understood is this: in college, growth doesn't happen automatically, you have to chase it, and that's exactly what I have been doing. Introducing Google Hydrate, an AI powered smart bottle that tracks your water intake, reminds you based on your daily routine, and syncs with your productivity patterns. Integrated with Gemini, it doesn't just keep you hydrated, it helps you stay at your best, because at Google, even simple things become intelligent. Something outsiders won't fully understand about my campus is this: students have potential, but many of them are still figuring out where to start. In my first year, I was also in that phase, exploring, trying, sometimes feeling lost. But once found the right direction, everything changed. Through this program, I would use Gemini as that starting point, a tool that helps students take their first step, whether it's coding, content creation, or solving real problems, because once they start, they grow fast. And the fourth one is about the failure. So during an important interview opportunity, I didn't perform the way I expected. Not because I didn't have the skills, because I couldn't express myself to the interviewer clearly. That moment made me realize that knowledge alone isn't enough. How you present yourself matters just as much as you are preparing for an interview. Since then, I have been working on my communication skills, putting myself in uncomfortable situations, and improving step by step, day by day, minute by minute. And honestly, this video is also part of that journey. And the fifth one, which is the 7 days plan, like how will be I'll be executing it. 7 days, zero budget, maximum impact. The day 1 to 2, I'll be creating curiosity through WhatsApp group, Instagram stories, LinkedIn, and not explaining Gemini, just sparking interest. Like everybody should know what is going to be happening, they should be curious about it. Day 3 to 4, I will be presenting live demos in common areas like canteen and classroom, showing how Gemini can actually help in real tasks, how they can integrate it into their day-to-day working life. Like as a student, we all have to use AI, and how we can do it, I will explain it. Day 5, I will launch a Gemini challenge, like the students use it to solve something useful or creative. What can be a great as organizing a small or mini short hackathon, where you can use Gemini to create something meaningful and get some exciting prizes. And day 6, I will collaborate with active students and creators in college, spread real use cases of it. Day 7, wrap it with a small offline meetup where students share what they discovered or what they have built, and they will get the feedback on it. The focus is simple: don't just promote it, make people experience it.